You are listening to the Pinax Report.
Pinax Report.
Pinax Report.
The Pinax Report.
Pinax Report.
Pinax Report.
Live only on Pinax TV.
Okay, so once again, in Chak, you're seeing Komo Bibi right here on this particular platform, Pinax TV. So finally, Empress and Ama McBrown, the show now, Onua TV, no so a payment abaso. But Ghana for was looking, say, okay, what will happen? Because McBrown told us, say, Ofi on UTV, no, she wanted to do something different because she was tired of a name, and said the new cockot, and it was hurting her brand. So she wanted something all new. Now all new na McBrown ebe ni show what to do on your TV and on your TV show time no. After the age na show na camera kweze de na oye wo UTV United Showbiz no. And one I said, yeah, change the studio, and now you know, for say, okay. So what is next? You see, an ebepe, obi to say bulldog, near pe obi to say Arnold, near pe obi to say Abeku Santana, I treat him as guest and because this is pure copycat. And this particular thing, what we are learning is that because of this, UTV feels say McBrown have cheated on them, and their scores, Bimoka said, no, it's high time UTV takes this one on, and even people and rumors in the air party say McBrown. Onua TV, they should buckle up because UTV will come to them hard for copyright and stealing their concept and show. Minya Bawa Hasia, she is with Pinax Plus. She has all the details. Is he Makwaba?
Nana Mejoso.
Okay, what is really happening?
Okay, so this issue, is not something that is new to some of us. Because United Showbiz na McBrown.
Yeah.
And recently it is a movie they call Onua TV. And a lot of people were asking, say, na McBrown, da ben or beba, we are not really seeing enough of her on Onua TV. It is Adiank Walker UTV, sir. And Sunday, between me and sister, say we launch a new show, Onua TV, Onua Showtime with McBrown. Yes, Onua Showtime with McBrown. I just say, amanfo bebre na ye tete ye keka ye say ukwo share numbers I know all call with social media and then ya grow and that thing. Now the say you know Father Dixon any despite media say enema and I say she say gwa kwemu a omo pese very soon. I heard betting so almost you McBrown. Now the reason being that one the show no ye name say UTV. There was a time na show no there was a segment be was so na it deals with social media trends na teacher kojo and na taking charge of that segment no and the McBrown host show na kodru baby na teacher kojo so the briefcase na ba edinachi then ye wa ba bebo ye mu de ekoso social media ne ade. Now McBrown launch Onua Showtime with McBrown no Onua TV so no ya wo say abaya TikTok star and senya Onua TV forever fan no metre Felicia Osei McBrown introduces segment bisa so and also talks about social media trends this time around no Felicia Osei and no one key pointer and go focus say na then McBrown area concept of United Showbiz that part of it now they talk about and now they have a segment that tries to talk about social media happenings, you know. Or they no so call Onua Showtime, no they feel that way is some kind of copy be as a wakako real concept, you know. Every UTV for her and what they are called Onua TV. And secondly, on launching show we saw a lot of artists the bass no ebinim ko busasa den VGMA no sa dan na nana because we saw the likes of MOG, we saw the likes of Last Minute, Kim Promise, Familiar, Dope Nation,
pass it through.
Jai, I said the show nankasa VGMA no and we know say with United Showbiz and so no we have segments like that or more day stars, I mean artists, gospel. There are days gospel artists for one. Then your mother born there are days so there secular music for hip life for high life for be free musa and DJ. And so they say as a McBrown there's nothing new about the show because if obey social media trends with Felicia say meanwhile you were doing the same thing on UTV with teacher Kojo. And then this same artist ya na ni omo ewo UTV. Omo ana se won sa ni omo ko nya TV mo mbe bo nyoma na ema usu to be and all that. What is new? That means that the same concept now. And even people are raising eyebrows on the name because we have United Showbiz, which is UTV. We know representing United Television. So United Showbiz and Onua Showtime. So it's only the base and the time that makes the difference. That is the whole thing. For yet it is from the look of things, McBrown and Onua TV for mature media general. Or man show me suppose wedding then say you be one say court say sometime. And then now all try to be prevent this is an alleged news that is going viral. You be share that is ebia Dixon so akwa for court because of copyright any content theft be akoso ne ade. So currently this is what is happening with McBrown. Ni show na wababel launch as say dey kira wakwako wia concept we dey watch Kwame Ugina wo wia lyrics we nyam nam kan obi na se menka enti no sabre dey McBrown onsha ni sapomu, so that's the only thing I can say, but onsha ni sapomu.
You, for those of you who know, AC is with Pinas Plus. Upe more details and what is really going on. Pinas Plus, just type PIN Pinas now the plus account, and I say just the plus sign. You get all the details. Now we need the information from day one. Okay, do you think say UTV can take that action? Because right now we are learning say UTV and Emma, I said this time around they are fighting back. So they've taken McBrown's kitchen from your friend is saying their platform. Remember, I said McBrown Echo TV3, and when they asked her that question, she was almost in tears. Say, I said UTV for nyame. So you can see that there's a deep rift between McBrown and UTV to the extent that they've taken off McBrown's kitchen. They've taken it off. So do you think that UTV will go a step ahead and say, so, okay, enough is enough. This time around, we were best friends. Now it's war between us. So we are going in or out and we are drawing our swords. And until they will come hard, sue McBrown, sue Onua TV for perhaps copyright and also stealing the concept of show. Because all of us in the media, especially you having all the backlaw in this whole media thing, there's copyrights. If you steal somebody's content, even on YouTube, if you take somebody's stuff, they can report you for copyright. So do you think UTV will go there and I say it can do our level and I say time will tell?
Nana, I think you share the personality of Nanama McBrown. She happens to be that Ameme Pasumje type. That's a Nyame Fanny Cranky.
Her actions is showing us some past. Why couldn't who say Mutru Muju me
yeah, Nana, I hear dicey. That's the nature of the issue right now, because I can't remember say Abra Belamundi interview about this McBrown kitchen year free and UTV so no. She was like year free so yambona mane, but UTV is still her home. That's the statement she made that Mekai Pa or say UTV is still her home.
But there was this lady Obama information, I think TVS Radio SYZ say they are planning to take McBrown's kitchen off. So even outsiders knew. So how comes that McBrown herself doesn't know? And according to rumors, they wanted to take it to Onua. So is she acting ignorant?
Who said? You see this showbiz thing, this showbiz all stuff. You need to play smart, and make her say. The personality of Nanama McBrown. She always wants to smoke the peace pipe. I say she doesn't want to have issues with anybody. Those are the any or beba out nanka wabe kind of feelings, and we all know say this is what she's going through. She's not like the if you show them types are if you show about the can or can we our but McBrown always tries to look good. Say the beya obi anya ne ho asem car and all those kind of things. But personally, I think looking at the terrain right now, say the Father Dixon alpha issues, because inside information now, urban nature say Father Dixon is not really pleased with what is happening. And we know say when the executive producer UTV is no other than Father Dixon. Maybe we can say when you put me about Jina mu say okay, yen so mama yen gidi no. Ebetimi aye or say Kwame Despite, that is the CEO of Despite Media. ebia ono no betimi aba abonten aba beka say my yen fan court o de yen friend yen kan boko wana say bibi but say despite am fan na yen simu dia na work is work and family is family and when it comes to family relationship I think we don't McBrown herself said it say we don't mess family relationship with work ejuma ye ejuma eba na ebusuan so ye ebusuan so if she has already come out to say work is work and let's say family issues is also family issues there. Then UTV can also decide saying their work is work. Into yes, so yemfa familiarity ni basem ni onuasem ni ntonchen so let's take her on because work is work. So anything can happen. I think right now we need to keep our fingers crossed. Not follow what is happening. No, the probability set maybe they might step in court. Is high. And the probability to say, despite might stand in and ask, oh, ajubro, a handcuff from na, yen sorty issues out, we could also do it like that. Because from all indications, information about nature say, Father Dixon is pinned. Because inside that be information or their bad nature say, McBrown left without saying anything. And then the information we are gathering, so said, they are saying UTV didn't give McBrown an official contract to United Showbiz, so she also owes them no reason. Say obey free her with giving them a prior notice or something. It's any day as I tit for tat and one mommy contract and I'm so make man bo money. It ends there. So my mouth contract now will corner one bomb money there. And also where we are the content there and there. I have all the